Hi, today we're talking about class registration tracker. So if you're looking for a template where you can track all the class registrations in a database in Notion along with the summarized view, then this is the template to look out for. So as you can see at the bottom, we have created a database which has the student details, the instructor details, the registration details, and class details as well, and the status of the registration. And if you scroll to the top, you can see a summarized view of the entire registration section. So first is the registered student section. So all the students who are registered and are not in any other status will be displayed over here. Then we have got a waitlist student. So as you change the status of the student, you can define the criteria over here. Then we've got a class wise. So this defines all the students as per different classes that they have joined. So we've got three different classes defined over here, and it is showing the students as per the same different classes. And then we have recent registrations. So all the students who have had recently registered are being visible over here. There is no filter added over here, but you can define the registration date of a specific week, and it will showcase all the registrations in the specific week that you're looking out for. And finally, we have the instructor section. So as per different instructors, all the students have been outlined. So you can find all the different information that you are looking out for under the instructor view. So this is how you can utilize this template to keep track of all the registrations. And besides this, I want to also talk about a new tool, that is PDF output. PDF output is a tool which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk, for which it requires a Google document as a source of template file, and it requires the need of a database which can be in the form of a Google Sheet or a Notion database. So from the database, we will look into each of the rows of the information and will replace the elements onto a Google Doc to generate the documents in bulk. I've added a video of how you can exactly perform this for invoices. So you can watch this video at the bottom and understand how PDF output works for invoices, and you can accordingly use it for any template for your needs. If you are in need of any assistance or any help, reach out to me at notion for my use at the rate gmail.com. This is where I will be able to assist you with any of the queries or any of the issues. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.